Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this time I wanted to talk to you really quickly about an exciting new event that we've got coming up here in Greeley, Colorado. This is our first inaugural Colorado Railroad Prototype Modelers Meet. That's a Colorado RPM. Now, for those of you guys who are unfamiliar with what an RPM is, Railroad Prototype Modelers is basically, it's a small meet where you can bring your models to show off. It's a great place to intermingle, talk to other modelers, learn techniques, have some camaraderie, and also attend some great clinics that'll be coming up during this presentation. Now, the Colorado RPM is going to be held on Saturday, September 21st. This is going to be 9 in the morning till 5 p.m. at night. And you'll be able to come in the morning, set up your models, get to talk to some great manufacturers like SoundTraxx. You'll also get to meet Rapido, Intermountain, KD, and others, as well as some great retailers that'll be able to sell you some products there while you're visiting and enjoying your day. Now, this is a one-day event, so you will need to register. So if you go to corpm.org, that's corpm.org, and register before September 1st, you'll also, as part of your ticket, get a dinner in the evening at the Model Railroad Museum in Greeley as part of your ticket, sponsored by SoundTraxx. So guys, we want to have you come out. We look forward to meeting you guys at an event. And if you've never been to an RPM event, I encourage you to try it out. These are some of my favorite events to attend around the country. And besides all of that, you get to see some really, really fantastic models. You get to meet a lot of great people, and I definitely encourage you guys to come out. So be sure to check it out, corpm.org. Register today, and you'll get access to the dinner where we can all just sit down, have a great time, and enjoy each other's company. So we look forward to seeing you then.